Hey crafty friends, it's Andrea from Prairie Sky DIY, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Manitoba, Canada. We're doing another quick holiday make. This time we're doing a cute little gift bag that you can tuck some candies in, or a small gift, or you can toss in, I don't know, a gift card and a bunch of other small stuff. The measurements are on the PDF. So we've got a square of paper, smaller score line at the top, and equal score lines around. For this one, what you're gonna, okay, spare a little scrap there. You're going to cut two corners off. So you're just left with this little bottom flap, and then I'm going to also notch it so that it sits a little bit better and a little bit more flat. And then this one we are going to cut side. Sorry, I just had to put my 3D brain on for a second. Okay, so before you apply any of your adhesive, this is the time where you need to figure out which way you want your gift bag to go. Is this going to be the outside, or is this going to be the outside? And you're going to fold the smaller tab to whatever you want the outside to be. I'm going to have these bigger snowflakes be the outside, and I'm just going to add a little bit of adhesive so that it lays flat, and do the same on this side. And then we're going to start our assembly. So just like sewing, we're going to put our pattern pieces together. This tab is going to be attached to the bigger bottom tab. So we're going to add our adhesive. And before we give it a press down, we're just going to make sure that everything is lined up equally. And then we're going to give it a press down. Our two centers are going to come in together. I'm going to give it a little burnish just to make sure everything's going to lay flat. And then we're basically just going to do a crisscross pattern. So these two pieces are going to come in. This piece is going to come up. And then this piece is going to create our box. If you wanted to, actually I might do this for a little bit of stability as well, is I'm going to sandwich our center pieces into the middle so you don't see them when you look into the bag. So our adhesive is going to go here. And then put this guy here, and then this guy here. And then this is going to be our center. So we're going to place adhesive on this side and this side. I probably could have done that a little bit better, but if you've been here for a hot second, you know it's mostly chaos in this craft room. I like to keep it real. Okay, and then we're just going to bring our tabs in and place everything together. Make sure it's all lined up, and then grab your bone folder and give everything a good squish. All right. So there's the gift card, or the gift card. There's your gift bag. If you wanted to, you could just pinch the sides together and use a binder clip to close it. But I'm going to, I've already made a little template. And shockingly, this was actually just a scrap that I had on my desk that is actually the right size. And then we're just going to punch our holes. This is going to make sure that everything is equally spaced. And if you wanted to, you could use ribbon, you could use twine, you could use whatever you wanted to seal your little bag here. But I don't have any ribbon or twine at the moment, so I do have felt. So I just cut some felt strips and I'm going to feed it through. All I did was I cut them, I don't know, it was like maybe an inch or so, and then I stretched it to create more of like a ribbony kind of a look. So there's our handles, there's our gift bag. Really quick and easy, and because we folded down our little tab, it's not going to go anywhere and it's not going to lift up on the sides. You could use this with a bigger piece of paper. You just want to make sure that whatever you're doing, I would do about the top tab about half of whatever the sides and the bottom are. And as long as the sides and the bottom are equal, it should work out for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon.